Hey there, ladies and gentlemen, to all traders, welcome back to TradeX. So in today's video, I'm taking a live trade. I just found a solid opportunity on EURUSD, so I thought why not hit record and show you behind the scenes of my entire process. So let's get straight into it. My name is Joe and I'm the CEO of TradeX and a full-time trader. Hit that subscribe button for more live trade videos like this. So let's get straight into it. Alright, so we're looking at the EURUSD chart in the 15-minute time frame and I'm looking to buy. But as you can see, it's been in a clear downtrend lately. Even in the 4-hour time frame and even the 30-minute time frame, it's still bearish overall. Now you might be thinking, why am I even looking to buy in this? Well, that's a fair question. But the reason I'm looking to buy is because structure tells part of the story, but behavior finishes it. So I'm spotting signs of potential pullback, possibly like a short one or a major one, but I'm aiming to capture and capitalize on this clean bounce. So again, looking at the 4-hour time frame, the 30-minute and the 15-minute, yeah, it's all bearish overall. But here's where it gets technical. I'm following the TradeX entry formula. The link is in the description box below, so do check it out at the end of this video. I mean, what do you have to lose? So the TradeX entry formula gives me a precise edge. I'm not guessing here. Every time frame tells a story, and even the 15-minute time frame is showing slow momentum, potential exhaustion in sellers, so that's a clue. Now coming to news, we don't really have any major USD news today or even red folders at all. Most of the action is with JPY pairs, and honestly, we only have yellow folder news, which doesn't really affect the market much. So here's all of the news. As you guys can see, we have French bank holiday, Euro all day, Euro group meetings, and a lot more other. We also have CAD wholesale sales later at 6 p.m. So overall, not much is going on that can directly shake your USD pair. So that's why I'm confident in taking this position. All right, so now that we're entering into London session, I've just executed the trade, as you guys can see on the screen. To be honest, I don't fully trust the London session volatility, so I've set a fixed TP on this one. I do think the market can go higher, but I think I can trail it. But again, it's London session. We don't know how each candle might react. So yeah, I'm just gonna see. Like I could extend it based on the momentum, but for now, I'm just playing safe. Wait, why is this position 2 in different color? Let me update this into my theme colors real quick. All right, that's better. Now everything's clean and set up now. All I have to do now is sit and watch. All right, so while we're waiting, I thought I'd like to talk to you guys a little bit and, share my expressions and my feelings because this video is all about that. So let me tell you this. As I'm watching this chart, I just remembered something. Just by a little momentum on the entry zone, I'm making over $100 right now. But when I started, my entire TP for over 3 trades was $50 and I was happy with it. And my entire weekly goal was $100 because I had a very little amount. So I had to really risk a little amount to make a little bit of money. But it always depends on the account size and how much you're making based on that. But I just wanted to say that it's the same trade. It's just your capital and your experience that evolve. So don't underestimate small wins. Focus on consistency and the rest will build itself and over time. All right, buyers are stepping in. Beautiful momentum, really clean. So once this candle closes, I'm gonna trail myself just to protect everything. So I'm just gonna trail it around $200, okay. We really got a nice push and I do think the market can go higher from here. Which pairs did you guys trade today? Comment them down below and let me know. And I just opened up a free Discord community and traders are coming in, so don't miss out. The link is in the description box below, so do check it out and join us. I've got a target and I think it's going to hit. I don't want to be greedy, so I'm going to be locking in some profits. Even a small close like $35 above break even is still a win. We don't guess, we react. All right, so the market's pushing a bit higher, so I've got a target and I think it's going to hit. But I don't want to be greedy, so I'm locking in some profits. Even a small close like the $35 above break even is still a win. Okay, now all I have to do is wait and watch. I think it's sit and watch. Never mind. You know what? While we're waiting, let me break something down real quick. See, most people say trading isn't about your entry. It's all about how you manage that trade. It's true, but I respectfully disagree. Because trading and taking a trade is always about the entry. And our entire TradeX entry formula is built around entry. Because if your entry is right, everything else becomes easier and everything takes care of itself. And yes, there are going to be some losses. Obviously, there are going to be some profits, but that's part of it. But your entry and why you're entering and how you're entering is so important. If your entry is right, you don't have to stress about managing emotions when your entry is aligned with market psychology, structure, liquidity, and momentum. Most traders jump in either too late, right into liquidity traps, and then they talk about trade management. when in reality, the damage was done at the start. And yes, trade management is important, but not as important as your entry. Because if you nail that, the rest takes care of itself. When you refine your entry, you gain clarity, confidence, and consistency. And that's what I'm doing here. I'm not reacting to the noise, I'm reacting to the structure. The market has been trending, the session is clean, I've got a bias, and I've got my confluence. My edge is knowing when the trade begins, not where I hope it goes. And this is what we teach inside the Trade Eccentric formula: how to read where the price is likely to reverse, where the smart money gets in, and how to catch a move without second guessing, and so much more. So the link is in the description box below, so do check it out at the end of this video. And what do you have to lose? Just go ahead and check it out. So I'm calm here, win or loss. I know my setup, my edge, and I just have to be patient. Oh, let's go. TV hit. That's $690 profit booked in under 30 minutes. It's just simply lovely. If you know, you know. All right, so my TP is full hit. I'm really happy about that, but I do know the market will go higher. And guess what? A few minutes later, it also hit my extended TP. I didn't hold for that one, but that's okay. It did go higher. So it's my mistake, not the markets, not the formulas. This isn't about how I could have made more, but it's about sticking to my plan and trusting my edge. I wanted to play safe, so I did make a profit, still a win to win. So it's how we grow. So I stuck to the plan, I stayed technical, I didn't get emotional, so that's all that matters. And yeah, another win in the book. If you guys want me to make some deeper market stuff like liquidity sweeps, fair value gaps, imbalance, and so much more, let me know in the comments. I'll be planning to make that video very soon. And also, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out any future videos. Alright, so I'm going to be logging this data into my journal. If you're journaling your trades, seriously, good job. If you aren't, what are you doing? You're leaving growth on the table. And yeah, if you want access to the exact journal that I'm using right now, it's completely free. Just go to our Instagram and DM us TradeX and I'll send the journal to you for free. Now, if you're wondering who is this girl on YouTube that is making live trades, because I really didn't introduce myself at first. That was a very short introduction of me. Well, I grew up around charts, literally. My mentor is my dad, and he's been in the financial markets or in the financial industry for over 11 years. And it took him 9 years to master trading and financial markets and to become finally consistently profitable. And he's the reason that I actually became consistently profitable early on. But I'm not gonna act like it's all winds and rainbows and sunshine. I've blown accounts, I've made mistakes, but actually having one is what really made the difference. He's always watching me from afar, always wanting me to win, and always correcting my mistakes. And that's what I really want. And that's what you guys really want too, right? But most of you guys don't actually have access to mentorship. Most YouTube gurus, most people just try to scam you, not actually showing you how they trade and just showing you their lifestyle. There are so many people out there that are getting scammed, paying for fake signals, or watching highlight reels or lifestyle content that really hides the truth of real trading. Because real trading is like this. You sit down right in front of your laptop, your charts, and you trade whether it's a win or loss. And that's how trading really is. I'm not sitting in a Lamborghini. I'm not sitting in some fancy car, some fancy house. I'm just sitting in my studio at my office and recording a trade live and executing and documenting my journey. And that's what real trading really is. And if you want proof, just scroll through our channel and you'll find so many trading videos on our playlist of the live trades that we took. It's not back tested, it's live trades, literally. These are all live trades, real wins and real losses. And this is exactly what I teach you inside the TradeX Elite mentorship. And the spots are really limited, so once they're closed, they won't open for a while. So apply below, it's completely free. So if you're still watching this video and you're still not inside our TradeX community group, what are you doing? You're missing out on so much. Inside my community, I give daily BTC USD setups, daily buys, share weekly breakdowns, and guide you through exactly how I think and plan. And even I shared this live trade right now in our community. So go ahead, the link's in the description box below. So come join us at TradeX. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Until then, peace.